Hello, shoppers. Welcome to ALIGANA.com, your gateway to the vast Chinese market. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll introduce you to ALIGANA.com and its wide range of services that revolutionize your online shopping experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. China is a powerhouse in the world of online shopping, offering millions of products at competitive prices. However, shopping from Chinese domestic websites can be challenging due to language barriers and payment issues. That's where ALIGANA steps in. We bridge the gap between you and Chinese domestic suppliers, making it easier than ever to shop from China. Here's an overview of the services we offer. Easy purchasing. We handle the purchasing process for you, from selecting the right products to making payments on your behalf. Payment solutions. We accept payments in various currencies, providing a solution for customers who do not have Chinese payment options. Package consolidation. We consolidate multiple items into one package to save on shipping costs. We also check all delivered parcels at our Chinese warehouse to ensure that you receive the correct items in good condition. Safe shopping. We provide a secure shopping environment, protecting you from scams and the risk of losing your money. You can track your orders until they are delivered to your doorstep. Price advantages. Shopping on Chinese domestic platforms like 1688.com, Taobao.com, and Mall.com offers significant price advantages over buying from international retailers. We help you take advantage of these prices while offering top-notch services. Dropshipping. We offer a seamless dropshipping service where you can connect your Shopify and WooCommerce stores directly to ALIGANA.com. You can post products directly from Chinese domestic websites like 1688.com and Taobao.com to your stores. Plus, you can sync orders from your websites to ALIGANA.com, and we'll handle the fulfillment process. The best part? There's no monthly fee for this service. In essence, ALIGANA.com is a one-stop shopping assistant for anyone looking to shop from Chinese domestic websites. We provide a hassle-free shopping experience, payment solutions, package consolidation, safe shopping, price advantages, and a seamless drop-shipping service. Ready to explore the world of Chinese online shopping? Visit ALIGANA.com, register, and start your shopping journey. Stay tuned for the rest of this tutorial where we'll guide you through the entire process of shopping on ALIGANA.com, from creating an account to shipping your orders. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. See you in the next segment.